Yo, what's up everyone, it's Sam. And if you're here, you're probably looking to level up your gaming experience without, spending a fortune. Well, consider yourself in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into building the ultimate gaming setup, and the best part, we're doing it all for under $1,000 in 2025. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about maximizing performance and value so you can dominate your favorite games without breaking the bank. Stick around because we're breaking down every single component you need, from the heart of your rig to the peripherals that complete the experience. Alright, let's kick things off with the heart of any gaming setup, the PC. And for under $700 in 2025, we can actually build something pretty incredible. First up, we've got the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 CPU. This thing is a beast for the price, delivering smooth frame rates and handling anything you throw at it. Now, to pair with that processing power, we're going with either an AMD RX 7600 or an NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU. Both of these cards are going to give you killer performance at 1080p resolution, even on the latest titles. They're the sweet spot for high refresh rate gaming without making your wallet cry. Moving on to memory, we're not skimping here. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. Because let's be real, who wants to close those extra Chrome tabs, right? And to keep everything feeling snappy, a 1TB NVMe SSD is a must. No more waiting around for games to load. This is 2025, speed is key. Now to tie it all together, we're going with a B550 or B660 motherboard. These boards offer great value, support for future upgrades, and some even come with built-in Wi-Fi. Powering all of this is a reliable 600W80 Plus bronze PSU, which gives us enough headroom for future upgrades. And finally, to house all these components, we need a case. Go with a budget mid-tower case with good airflow. Remember, a cool system is a happy system. This combination of components strikes a perfect balance between price and performance, ensuring you can enjoy smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. Now that we've got the PC sorted, let's talk visuals. The monitor is your window into the gaming world, and for this build we're aiming for the sweet spot of value and performance. Two excellent options that won't break the bank in 2025 are the AOC 24G2 and the Asus VG249Q. Both of these monitors offer a 24-inch 1080p IPS panel which delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. But here's the kicker. They also boast a 144Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. Trust me, once you game at 144Hz, there's no going back. The fluidity and responsiveness are just next level. And for around $150 to $180, these monitors offer an insane value proposition. They're going to provide you with a competitive edge and an incredibly immersive gaming experience. Or performance. Chapter 4, Level Up, Accessories and Extras. Alright, so we've covered the essentials, but what about those extra touches that can really elevate your gaming setup? Here are a few ideas to consider. For audiophiles on a budget, the Creative Pebble 2.0 speakers offer surprisingly good sound quality for their size and price. They're a great way to add a bit more immersion to your gaming sessions. And if you're planning on streaming your gameplay or need a webcam for video calls, the Logitech C921,080p webcam is a solid choice. It delivers clear video quality without breaking the bank. Now let's talk cable management. Nobody wants a tangled mess of wires on their desk, right? Velcro straps and cable sleeves are your best friends here. They're super affordable and can make a world of difference in the overall cleanliness of your setup. And finally, if you want to add a touch of RGB goodness to your battle station, RGB strips are the way to go. They can instantly transform the ambiance of your setup and add that extra bit of flair. For around $50 to $100, you can add these finishing touches to your setup and take your gaming experience to the next level. Outro game on, your epic setup awaits, and there you have it, a complete gaming setup for under $1,000 in 2025. From a powerful PC to a responsive monitor and comfortable peripherals, this build ensures you get the best performance, aesthetics, and value. But remember, building a great setup is just the first step. Don't forget to optimize your game settings and keep your drivers up to date for the best possible gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.